Kamusta yo fam, I'm Yowawerts, and in this video I will show you guys how to make your own Mad Ben Omniverse Omnitrix. So let's get started right away! Print the template and cut out all the pieces. Work on the watch strap first, so glue this piece onto thin cardboard and cut it out. For additional width, I glued EVA foam onto this piece. Transfer these pieces onto thin cardboard and cut them out. Grab this piece and glue the ends together like so. Make sure that it fits the main part of the watch strap. After sticking them together, cut this out and make a ring for the center. Once that's all done, secure this piece onto the main part of the watch strap. To make this watch wearable, I glued on VELCRO at the ends of the strap. After that, I then painted the watch strap. While waiting for the paint to dry, take this piece and roll it like so to make the spike for the Omnitrix. Once the paint dries, you'll have something like this. Then, take this piece and glue it on this part of the watch just as shown. To cover this part and make the Omnitrix look neater, glue these pieces onto the watch strap. After that, glue the alien interface cover. Cut out these pieces and glue them onto the sides of the Omnitrix. Then, stick the spikes around the watch strap. Finally, make the alien interface. This Mad Ben Omniverse Omnitrix took less than a day to make, so it was really simple and easy since it doesn't obtain any special mechanism unlike the previous ones I made. But if you want me to apply a mechanism for the Omniverse watches, just comment down below and I'll try to come up with a brand new mechanism. Now before we end this video, I'd like to give a massive shout out to these creative Yo fam for sharing with us their DIY creations. Thank you so much, you guys rock, and I hope to see more Yo fam share their creativity with us. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.